MashaAllah. MashaAllah, brother. How are you? You're welcome. I understand you want to accept Islam.
Yes.
At-takbir. MashaAllah. I'm going to say something, my dear brother. I want you, please, to repeat after me. Inshallah. Please, repeat after me. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
An. La ilaha.
La ilaha.
Illallah.
Illallah.
Wa ashhadu.
Wa ashhadu.
Anna. Muhammadan. Rasulullah. I bear witness. There is no deity worthy of worship. Except Allah. And I bear witness. That Muhammad is Allah's messenger. So yes, brother, with this, congratulations, you are a Muslim. At-takbir. With this belief, you are a Muslim. MashaAllah. Barakallahu feek. La ilaha illallah. May Allah bless you. May Allah bless you. May Allah bless you, brother. Congratulations. Believe me, Allah loves you and He accepts you. And can I give you a good news? As you are standing here with your heart moving because you've taken the word of Allah, the greatest word, La ilaha illallah, all your sin is forgiven by Allah. All your previous sin is forgiven. Alhamdulillah. At-takbir. At-takbir. Muhammad is our messenger. He's our prophet. He's a prophet like Jesus, peace be upon him. He's a prophet like Abraham. He's a prophet like Isaac, like Joseph, like Moses. They are all prophets, messengers. They were sent by Allah to lead us out of darkness to light. So we believe in only one God, and we serve Allah through the teachings of Muhammad. During the time of Jesus, people must follow and obey Allah and worship Allah through the teachings of Jesus, peace be upon him. During the time of Moses, the people of Moses must obey Allah through the teachings of Moses. This is the time of Muhammad. So we follow the teachings of Muhammad Rasulullah. Congratulations. Inshallah, brother, we will give you time to go and perform ablution. You come and you pray with us. Inshallah. May Allah continue to bless you. May Allah protect you. And inshallah, after the prayer, I will talk to you. Barakallahu feek. Congratulations, brother. Inshallah. Allahu Akbar. 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 La ilaha illallah. May Allah continue to bless you.